In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move inbox channels and conversations to help desk. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for, so your existing conversations transition smoothly into your help desk, keeping your team organized and your customers supported without missing a beat. First, start on your dashboard. This is your main landing page after you sign in. Give it a second to fully load so all navigation options are available. If your account uses multiple workspaces, confirm you're in the right one before moving on, since that determines which inboxes and channels you'll see. Next, click on More and navigate to CRM. The More menu expands your core tools, and CRM is where messaging and shared inbox features typically live. If your sidebar is collapsed, hover to reveal labels, then select CRM to open it. From there, click on Inbox. This is where your team manages conversations from connected channels like email or chat. Once you're in the inbox, look toward the upper area of the page for inbox settings. Click that. This opens the configuration area where you manage how your inboxes are set up, including routing, permissions, and connected channels. Inside inbox settings, find and click channels. The channel section lists each channel that is currently connected to your inbox. You'll see items like team email addresses or chat widgets. Take a moment to scan the list and locate the specific channel you want to move. If you have many, use the search or sort controls if available, and double-check the channel label to avoid moving the wrong one. Once you find the correct channel, hover your mouse over it. You should see an edit option appear. Click Edit to open that channel's settings. This is where you review configuration details such as connection status and assignment rules. Pause briefly to confirm you're editing the intended channel. Within the channel settings, click Move to Help Desk. This is the key action that transfers the selected channel and its existing conversations into the help desk. Moving the channel centralizes support workflows, so future messages arrive directly where your team tracks tickets, SLAs, and escalations. Keep in mind, this action is about relocating the channel and its conversations. Nothing should be deleted, and your history remains accessible. Just manage through the help desk going forward. That's it. You went from the dashboard to CRM, opened inbox and inbox settings, visited channels, edited the right channel, and chose Move to Help Desk. If you found this helpful, take a moment to confirm your team knows where to find these conversations now, and continue providing timely, consistent support.